Hey friends, you type pop song into Suno and you get plain old pop. No face, no character, totally generic. Want the sound of a specific artist? You enter the name, Suno blocks it instantly. You write 90 DAS alternative rock, and again, you get some averaged out mush. So here's the thing, it's not Suno's fault. It's all about how we write our prompts. That's why I recommend one really awesome tool to everyone. Once you figure it out, your tracks will immediately sound on a whole different professional level. It has 400 artists collected there. No names, only through precise signature traits. What synths they use, vocal style, production tricks. Let's open it right now and see how it works. I loaded my ancient 2008 home recording into Suno and decided to turn it into a cover, say, in the style of Soviet post-punk. Let's listen to 4 lines.
За окном догорает день, обещает вернуться снова, но для меня этого мало.
We go to the helper site, Zvuki Mu. I copy the prompt with one click. I open Suno, paste it into the style field. And here's the important part. You must add the anchor directly into the lyrics field where your text is. For Suno, these anchors are 10 times more powerful than any style instructions. Plus, you can control every section of the song separately. While it's generating, let me quickly whip up a version with a child's voice and see what we get. All right, let's listen.
За окном догорает день, обещает вернуться сном, но для меня этого мало.
You hearing this? Same rough electric guitar, same raw, over-the-top theatrical male vocals. I think it turned out straight fire. And now let's listen to what we got with the kiddos.
За окном догорает день, обещает вернуться сном, но для меня этого мало.
That turned out pretty funny, right? Anyway, go for it, friends. Links are in the description. It really works. Hope the video was useful. If it was, don't forget to smash that like button. It really motivates me a lot. Huge creative success to everyone. See you next time. Bye-bye.